Good morning. You stumble out of bed, pour a bowl of cereal, and glance out the window. And then you do a double take. Something is deeply, profoundly wrong. The light isn't the warm, golden glow you're used to. It's a cold, eerie, electric blue. You look up. The sun, our sun, is no longer yellow. It's a brilliant sapphire blue marble in the sky. What in the world is happening?
First, let's get one thing straight. The sun isn't actually yellow. We see it that way because its light gets scattered by our atmosphere. But for this to happen, the sun itself would have to fundamentally change. So let's say, for the sake of our wild thought experiment, that overnight, our sun got swapped out for a different kind of star, a blue giant.
The immediate effect would be pure, unadulterated chaos on social media. Hashtag Blue Sun would be trending before you even finished your now strangely colored cereal. But the real changes would be far more dramatic. First, the light. A blue sun is much hotter than our yellow one. It emits a huge amount of high-energy blue and ultraviolet light. Stepping outside would feel less like a pleasant morning and more like walking into a giant, planet-sized tanning bed. You'd get a sunburn in about 5 minutes flat. Sunglasses sales would skyrocket, but regular shades wouldn't cut it.
We'd need full-on welding goggles just to go check the mail.
Next, the heat. That extra energy means a massive temperature spike. A blue sun wouldn't gently warm the Earth, it would aggressively broil it. Global temperatures would soar. The polar ice caps would melt faster than an ice cube on a hot skillet, causing coastal cities to vanish under the rising oceans. Our planet would quickly start to resemble a steamy tropical greenhouse, a beautiful, blue-lit, and utterly uninhabitable sauna. But here's the really weird part. The color of everything. Under a blue sun, our world's color palette would get turned upside down. A red apple, for instance, absorbs every color except red, which it reflects. Under a blue sun, which emits very little red light, there would be almost no red light for the apple to reflect. That apple would appear a deep, dark gray, or even black. The green grass? It would look wildly different. Our entire visual reality would become a surreal landscape of blues, indigos, and deep purples. It would be beautiful, in a deeply alien and terrifying way. And the climax? The big, shocking reveal isn't just the heat or the weird colors, it's the time scale. A blue giant star burns through its fuel with reckless teenage abandon. It lives fast and dies young. While our yellow sun has a comfortable lifespan of about 10 billion years, a blue giant might only last a few million years. The clock on complex life on Earth would suddenly be ticking down at an alarming rate. The beautiful blue sky would be a countdown timer to the end of the world as we know it. So, the blue sun would be a spectacularly bad roommate for planet Earth. It would be too hot, too bright, and it would burn out way too soon. Our beautiful blue marble would become a literal hot mess. In the end, our friendly, stable yellow sun is the reason we're here at all. It's the perfect distance, the perfect temperature, and the perfect color for life to flourish. It's not the most exciting star in the galaxy, and that's exactly why we love it. So, what color would your car look under a blue sun? Let us know your wildest guesses in the comments. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, do us a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more Cosmic What Ifs.